Hey besties, what is up? Today I'm gonna be filming a room tour video. You guys wanted to know what my room looked like, I guess. I just know I'm an interior designer and did such an amazing job on my room. So you guys were just dying to know how I did it, and you know, I get it. This is where I go to sleep and cry really quietly so Kara doesn't hear me. Like at night, you know, when she's trying to sleep, I can't cry loud, you know. But yeah, this is where it all happens. This is where my life is at its fullest. This is where my life is at its peak. This is where I live my life to the fullest. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. If I'm doing this wrong, please don't yell at me. I don't know what to do. I don't know. But yes. Hate to tell you this, but I gotta be honest. Sister. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend like I didn't film the intro and we're going into my room. Okay. Yeah, so I can't believe this. It's the first time you guys are seeing this room ever. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I don't know where to start. Oh, okay, that's so embarrassing. This is my room. This is my and Kara's room. This is where I sleep, and this is where Kara sleeps, obviously, because I would never sleep in a bed that she's in. So obviously this is Kara's because all of her diseases are on this side, and all of my not diseases are over here on this side. And this is what I see every single day. I don't know how I do it. Don't even ask. I don't really know, but like it's so scary to see this at this angle every single day. Like it's just so scary. So this is from my view of my room. I don't really know. Oh, that looks so aesthetic. Am I right, ladies? So this is my vanity. I've done a makeup collection, but this hoe is so full and I don't even know, sisters. I'm gonna do a makeup decluttering video. All my makeup. And then I have more makeup over here. The drawers are just a bunch of makeup. And then I have a pile of makeup over here. This is just a bunch of stuff that like doesn't fit at all anywhere else. And then I also have some of my necklaces over here. Over here I have my YouTube plaque. I know I'm famous. I'm rich and famous. As you can tell by that ancient gem rock over there. Rich, famous. This is my bed. She chill or whatever. I have two comforters. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Like, tell you where I got my blankets from and pillows. I don't think people care. But I got that stuff from Urban Outfitters. Amazon. Also, two phones. Rich. And then over here, I have some stuff on my wall. I have some pictures. That's from 7th grade. Super ugly. I have some Polaroids. I have one of Phoebe. Oh my gosh, if this was focus, I love that so much. That's a Vanity and Kara. Super scary. Kara looks super scary. This is Enya's chapter 3 stickers. I don't like stickers, and they quite frankly scare me so much, so that's why it's still on the paper and I taped it. But I love Enya so much, and that's on my wall because it's so cute and she did a great job with chapter 3. Next. And then here's Phoebe. She low-key looks like a little lion. And there's some movie tickets. Coco, Black Panther, Cars 3, and Star Wars. Very good movies. That's kind of a sad little picture memory board. I just don't have a lot of friends. And I'm really lonely. Yeah. Okay, so this little hoe doesn't have much. Has some chapstick. My glasses, or one of my pairs of glasses, because I'm, again, rich and famous and have so many pairs. My AirPods, because, again, rich and famous. And then my remote for the lights, because rich and famous. And I can work lights, and I'm a technician and a magician as well. So yes. Also the lights are from Amazon. You just look up LED lights and there you go, queens. Over here, just a little mirror I use every single day because I just love looking at myself. It gives me so much motivation. Just keep pushing forward. So does this focus, it really does. I just see myself and I'm like, wow, amazing way to start the day. Yeah, that's basically it for that mirror. It's super, just amazing. I just love myself so much. Over here, I have my backpack for school. I know, skater. Jeans that I'm gonna wear tomorrow because I plan my fits. And then I have some like colorful shoes over there. My little besties. I have some canvases and like a little easel thing and like some like art stuff because I'm an art queen. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say. I will show a little underneath my bed. That's what that hole looks like. I have a bunch of paints and colored pencils over there, and then my camera stuff, and then a bunch of other stuff that does not need to be shown. Over here, we have my plasma 100-inch TV. I have a tapestry up there. It's not like ironed down, so it just looks super folded and stupid. Salt lamp. It's actually salt, so don't lick it, ladies. I have some candles, and then gemstones because that's so artsy. This is from Urban Outfitters, this whole desk thing, and so is the lamp, by the way, but you can get it for cheaper somewhere else. I was just too lazy to look, so I got the most expensive one because I'm stupid. It's actually supposed to be like a vinyl thing, like you're supposed to hold like a record player right there and then your vinyls or records, whatever, right there, but you know, we're not that artsy. Like, we're artsy, but not that artsy. So Kara just puts like snacks where the record's supposed to be. Did you understand that? I don't even think I did. She puts snacks where the records are supposed to be because she loves food and she's so relatable. It has this picture of me. Yeah, it's super blurry. Oh wow, she's Grace. She's Grace. But yeah, this is what Kara gets to see every single day. Imagine me right there. She gets to see that, and that's just, she's so blessed. I don't know what I would do if I was her. She's just so lucky, and I can't believe it. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do now, but I feel like this is going to be a pretty short video. If not, I just made it long by talking. Also, everything I said in this video was a joke. I know people are going to come for my neck and say, oh my god, self-obsessed much? Oh my god, why are you so mean to your sister? Why are you so... It's a joke, sisters. Oh my gosh, I should do a closet tour like Carly Bible and Jaclyn Hill. Oh my god, my closet looks exactly like that. Actually, their closets are like 3 times as big as our room. But yes. Oh, didn't see you there. Oh, I didn't see you there. Oh, I didn't see you there. I didn't see you there. Okay, besties, I will see you guys in the next video. This isn't even focused. I don't even care. Actually, I really do. Also, she taped that light. DIY queen. See you guys in my next video, and let me know if you guys want that decluttering video. I'm still gonna post it even if y'all say no, but yes, ma'ams. That's it. Okay. Peace out, homie G's.